From the Hostfully platform, you'll be able to send direct messages to Airbnb guests so that they receive these messages in their inbox within Airbnb. The way you can set that up, you create a template that you want to send to them. In this case, I will use this example that already exists. It's just a custom template with a message indicating that the booking has been confirmed, and it's a greeting. And then for a trigger that will go directly to the Airbnb inbox, you want to create it the following way. You click on create a trigger, you select an event, and in this case, it's the booking confirmed event. For Airbnb, you'll want to just select Airbnb. And instead of saying send an email, you will want to say send Airbnb message. This will make this trigger work specifically in a way that sends that message to the Airbnb inbox of your guest. For the properties, you can choose for the message to apply to all of the confirmations for all properties. And then you use one of the templates that you have available in your uh, custom templates section. Then you create the trigger and you're all set. That's all. Thanks for listening.